Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to add music to a Facebook post. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. So first up, I would like for you to know that you could go ahead and add music, even if it's a text post, a photo, or a video post. Okay, so just tap on what's on your mind right here at the top. Now you could go ahead and add in your text. Hi. Alright, or add in some photos from your gallery, a GIF, or even your live event. Okay. Now in here, as you can see at the top left, we have music. Okay. You can just go out and tap on it and find the music that you wanted to add. Okay. Just search or look for the specific music right here. Okay. For example, this one, Christmas hip hop. I'm going to tap on it and it will be added right away. And once you're happy with that, just tap on post, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, your post will look like this. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.